Yes, there are hurricanes every year in the Caribbean. Yes, these big storms sometimes hit land and disrupt vacations. No, you should not let hurricanes prevent you from taking a Caribbean trip, even during the height of hurricane season. Visitors often overestimate the likelihood of hurricanes actually touching down during their vacation. In fact, because of this, rates are lower and there are fewer people in the islands, making hurricane season one of the best times of the year to visit the Caribbean on a budget.